Today's a little different. Today is gonna be a vlog. So I'm pretty busy this week, so I decided to do something a little different for you guys. And today we're specifically gonna just be doing a couple of things like cleaning shoes and cooking before I gotta go to class. I know you're asking, Jimmy, why do you need to clean shoes? Well, let me show you. This is a shoe that I own. I've owned it for a long time. Looks pretty nice, right? Looks pretty clean, right? This is actually 2 years old. I've actually had to wash it. The cage is starting to yellow a little bit, but this is how it's supposed to look, clean. And I own this pair, but my girlfriend also owns a pair. And you wanna know what hers looks like? Here, let me show you. Let me show you. You're like, okay, from this angle, it doesn't look that bad, right? Okay, now look above. What the f? This shoe is filthy. Like, it's dirty, it's nasty. Look at it. You'd look at this thing and you think, okay, these shoes aren't even the same thing. This one's gray, this one's white. What? That's what I want to get done today. I'm actually cleaning this. I'm actually gonna surprise her. She doesn't know about this yet, but she'll know once she sees this video, I guess. Or maybe this video will go up after I give them back to her. This area down here, the white popcorn, because it's all dirty, and everything's gonna look clean after this. I got a toothbrush, some Q-tips ready, some soap. We're gonna clean this thing up. It's gonna look beautiful. It's gonna look gorgeous. And we're gonna change the laces with something nicer as well. I feel like one of those shoe mall kiosk guys, the ones that always go, hey man, what kind of shoes are those? Anyway guys, stay tuned. Yeah, so I think these are gonna have to go through the washer. There's no other way. So now that they're in the dryer, let's get cooking. So you're probably wondering what I'm cooking. Well, I'm cooking pasta. What kind of pasta? You're about to find out. So the shoes just got done in the washing machine, so we're about to check that out. Well, let's go see what kind of mess happened. You know what? It ended up pretty good. They're not completely clean. There's still a bit of dark spots, but it is way less noticeable. All right, so I'm gonna leave these out to dry. We got cool shoelaces. So let's put these on, see how they look, and see where we go from there. The end product looks pretty nice. I think it's ended up really, really good, and I really like how it turned out. Well, anyway, guys, I know this video has been completely different, but I've been quite busy this week, so I decided to do something really different for you guys, and hope you guys at least enjoyed it. I learned one thing for sure, though. I really suck at vlogs. All right, anyway, guys, I'll see you guys next time.